Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about three mega hotel developments in Negril. Now, Negril is in western Jamaica, one of the most popular places not only in Jamaica but in the world. The famous 7 Mile Beach on Negril is one of the top beaches in the world. In terms of tourism, Negril is the jewel of the Caribbean. So all the major hotel chains want properties in Negril. Some of them have even 2, 3 properties in Negril. There is no stopping the hotel expansion in Negril. Now, Negril has grown. Negril is now in the parish of Westmoreland and it's now in the parish of Hanover. But remember now, Negril is a town and it's soon to be a city. There has even been talk of it being a parish. But there's no stopping Negril. As long as that beach is there, you will have hotel expansion in the area. So as far as the beach will take you, that will be considered Negril. Okay, so 3 major developments now, and these 3 are they're in Negril, but they're on the Hanover side of Negril. Now, the first one is the Princess Jamaica Resort. Now, this will be the largest resort in Jamaica. It's going to be 2,000 rooms. And they're doing it in phases. Phase 1 is almost finished, and that's going to be 1,010 rooms. It will actually open sometime this year. This is a massive resort. Now the second one is the Grand Palladium Resort. They have a hotel in Jamaica now, but they are expanding it. The first hotel opened in 2008 and it was 1,000 rooms. They actually plan to build 2 more hotels on the property, but they have started with the first one, which is going to be 950 rooms. This one is basically an expansion. It's a new hotel, but they're building 2 new hotels on the property, and they have 2 there already. And then the fourth one now is going to be the Viva Wyndham Resort. Now this is also going to be in the Negril area of Hanover. This one is going to be a 1,000-room resort, and the Viva Wyndham brand operates 8 hotels in the Caribbean. 5 of them are in the Dominican Republic. This will be the first one in Jamaica under that brand. Alright guys, so let us know what you think about these developments, and we will give you tours of all the developments over the next few weeks, and we'll keep you guys updated on all the projects until they are finished. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And there are other hotels under construction in Negril, but these are the ones that are on the Hanover side. These are the larger developments. Sandals recently renovated one of their properties on the Negril side. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Have a good day. Yeah.